was your first accident with equity market? What was your first investment?
The interesting story again is I think I was one of the first few techies out of India. So in 77, I was working in a technology business, not particularly interested in the stock market, very interested in reading. So I used to read quite extensively, even at that time. But my father, who was in the stock market in India, smallest stock market in India at that time, was quite keen that I understand the stock market. So as I famously said, he made a wager with me that he would send me some money, and if I made money out of it, it was mine to keep. If I lost it, no questions asked. Seemed like a pretty fair deal to me. So I started investing in the US stock market, and as I've said it many times, that in the beginning of a bull market in America, 1980s, 82, when the bull market Dow was at 1,000, today it's close to 50,000, I managed to lose it all within 6-8 months. And that taught me a lesson, as much important as Buffett taught the long-term investing. It also taught me another lesson, that when you drive, you look at the front view mirror, not the rear view mirror. What I was doing, the mistake I was making was driving, looking at the rear view mirror. I learned a lesson that when you're in equity markets, you look ahead, not look back. And so I think long-term investing, looking ahead, all lessons I learned fairly young in my life.